Okay, got another vintage window air conditioner here. This one I have not installed it because I didn't need to put it anywhere. This year I didn't need it. It's a little bit light for the one room that I was gonna put it in, and it's a little bit too much for the other room that needed an air conditioner, so whatever. It wouldn't fit in the window where the other one is, so that's why the flat White-Westinghouse is there. This is a White-Westinghouse as well. Metal blades. Let's see, very little rust. It's in pretty damn good shape for its age. It's from 1987, March of 1987. There's the dial. Now most of them have, like the other White-Westinghouse I videoed, has the thermostat has a little probe that sticks over here in front of the evaporator coil. Well, this one doesn't have that design. This one, you see these vents here? They're not just there for decoration. It actually pulls air in there, and then it goes through the little electrical box and over the thermostat. It's actually a very clever idea. Has 2 fan speeds. This is high fan. Low fan. I did have to oil the motor in this, but I never took it apart. Before I start the compressor, I'll show you the sticker. Another White Consolidated Industries. White-Westinghouse Appliance Company, Columbus, Ohio, USA. One of the White Consolidated Industries, WCI. 5900 BTUs, 115 volts, 7.5 amps. EER of 7.1, which is actually pretty bad. Date 03 of 87. R22, 12.75 ounces. It's the model AC064K7A1. Serial number is AKC011536. 400 PSI high side, 150 low side. I didn't read down the other one actually. UL listed, blah blah blah. It does not have a squirrel cage fan on the inside. It has a regular fan. Vents that go horizontally, not vertically adjustable. New side panels. It does work just fine. I'm gonna start it on high cool. It's a little loud. It's actually not that loud at all. More of the noise now is just because the outside part is on the inside. Metal condenser fan. It does not have a slinger ring. Instead, it has little fins that stick off the edge of little blades that dip into the water. So this one does not make a slinging, like a sloshing noise. This one makes a pinging sound when the water inside fills up after it runs for a while. It's getting cool already. Oh, now it's getting nice cold. There's low cool. I believe the compressor in this is a Toshiba or a Matsushita, one or the other. I don't know, I can't really see. Oh, it is. Matsushita compressor. In other words, a Panasonic. WCI units have a very unique look. They have just a basic square case with vents like that on the side, unless they're like the portable one's completely different, obviously. And on top, this one doesn't have the vents on top, but the newer ones have 2 vents on top. My my 2000 Kenmore, even though it's got digital controls, it's actually well made, and I do use it. And that one is a WCI manufactured unit. Kenmore was made by a lot of their air conditioners and appliances Whirlpool. However, a lot of them were also White Consolidated Industries. It's ice cold. All I did to it when I got it was I gave it a quick cleaning. I replaced the side panels and replaced the filter. And that's it. There you go. At one point I'll install this somewhere. Don't ask me where. I don't know yet. But when I do, I'll make another video of it. Thanks for watching. So I forgot to mention, the other unit upstairs has the original cord and plug. This one does as well. It does not have molded plug disease. Well, neither of them do. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's like brand new. The whole cord's like that. This one was $25 at a garage sale in 2014.